Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make. So guys, first of all you have to go to a file editor and go to star. So now you just need to click on accessories and you can choose face accessories or add accessories you want. I'll show you how to wear multiple face accessories. Now as you can see, I already selected multiple accessories here. So how did I do that? Let me unselect all of them, and if I'm trying to select one after one, you will see that it will automatically unselect the previous one. So how did I select all of them earlier? So let's do that. First of all, you have to right click on any new accessories that you want to wear and click on the copy link address. Now open a new tab and paste it here. Now you just need to copy the asset ID of the new accessories and just go back to Roblox page. Just go back to Roblox page and just click on this advanced option and paste it over here. Fine. And now just need to click on save button. Again save. And as you can see, I have selected two accessories at once. So now if you want to select one more accessories, follow the same steps. Right click on it, copy the link again, open a new tab, paste it over here, and again copy the asset ID of the new accessories and go back and just open a new advanced link and paste it over here again, the asset ID, and click on save and click on save to. Alright, so this is how we can select multiple accessories on Roblox without any extension, without any patching. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.